How to log out of Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of Google account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the option labeled as switch account. And now here, once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. In that menu, you will see a list of all the Google accounts that are included in your device. Now here with that, you can simply scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as manage account on this device. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on that, on the next page, you can simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now from here, you can simply select the Google account that you want to remove from this device. And here, with that, you can simply scroll down on the next section and tap on more. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on remove account. And here, once you do that, you will be logged out of that particular Google account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.